Kaya ito silang hatagan o basipang palakpakan.
Jadi masalah kata mo.
Pagpalakpak sa inyo. Hindi pala sa atin. Yan ang nagawa. Okay, again. Go! Thank you, kids and parents. Now, let's hear a message from Attorney William Christian E. De La Cruz, the Congressional District Head, Office of Honorable Jose S. Aquino II, Congressman. Sir.
Hello, good morning to the Honorable Punong Barangay of Barangay Oman, the Honorable Enriquez, to the President of the PWD Federation of Ponce si Ma'am Lota, the representative, where's the representative of Ma'am Golda? Hello, good morning. And to Ma'am Janice Andali, representing the provincial head of Torre, Pusan del Norte, and her colleague, to the members of the PWD Federation, is that correct? Good morning. So on behalf of the Congressman of this jurisdiction, the Honorable Jose Joel Aquino II, I thank you for your attendance this morning, and the House of Representatives joins you in celebrating this provincial activity, the National Disability Rights Week. Karong adlaw po ang I think 160th birth anniversary of Apolinario Mabini, asked earlier by the Honorable Enriquez. Apolinario Mabini is one of the braves of the revolution. We called him in the postcards in elementary, we called him Utak ng Magsikan, or one of the braves of the revolution. He is one of the brave Filipinos who fought for independence against the Spaniards and later the Americans. And as you know, Apolinario Mabini was exiled somewhere in Guam, right? But he was back here. So